This game created by Defalcio, the creator of Lumber Tycoon 2, and it's even cooler than Lumber Tycoon 2. You can chop trees, explore the oceans, throw crates, and so much more. But because it's still in development, you need to pay 1,000 Robux to play it. But because I bought it, you don't need to spend your Robux to see the game. So once we join the game, we see a cool menu that floats in the water. So let's join the world. We start with a nice looking avatar. Let's first explore the map. Oh look, I found a crate. Actually, when you break crates and barrels, you get coins. Let's go in the cave. Oh yeah! Let's keep exploring the map. Wow, an obby. Let's see what can I buy in this shop. I will get myself a straw hat. What is this building? An information center. Isn't this the bulletin board from LT2? I found a tool shop. Let's get some stone tools. Check this out, it cuts wood very realistically. And we can make planks that we can grab. Let's see if I can buy a blueprint. Almost enough. Let's get some money real quick. Wait, is that the pineapple painting? Okay, because it's night, let's just break crates and barrels. Now it's finally day. Let's buy a boat and explore the oceans. Here we go. Yes! Finally found an island. It's pretty useless, so let's keep going. Another island. What are these houses? Anik and Bosco built this. My boat is pretty slow, maybe Anik and Bosco's boat is faster? I guess I can steal it. So on this island is a whole base. What is this? Some guy made a whole mountain in the middle of the ocean. An Iceland. Because I don't have any clothes, I start freezing. I better not go on those islands. I guess I reached the world border. Let's go the other way then. Another Iceland. I better go back faster. What is this pillar? It looks so cozy inside, but I cannot enter. This game is pretty cool, of course it should get some updates, but it was still fun to explore the oceans. So if you don't have 1,000 Robux to play this game, then just watch this Lumber Tycoon 2 video.